Hi, I'm here. I'm Michael. Hi, yeah. Hello? All right. Oh, yeah. Let's see, where's my seat? F1, F2, FU. Hey. You are an asshole.
Quicker than I thought.
Yep, because I have a secret weapon. People actually like me. You wouldn't understand that because you don't have any friends. I love your babushka. Couldn't have booked an emergency row for a little bit more leg room, huh? Not everybody has hobbit legs like you.
Hey, look, in case you didn't realize, could give a damn about your comfort. So why don't you be a good elephant, suck up another kilo of peanuts, put your chair back and relax.
All right, listen, don't ever tell me to relax, all right? Don't tell me to do anything. Anytime you ever say anything, it makes me want to take my boot and shove it so far up your ass, you're gonna be spitting out shoelaces all week.
Hey, you know what the problem is? I'll tell you the problem. This job requires stealth. And you, look at you. I mean, granted, it's not your fault, but you're too obvious. You stick out like balls on a bulldog, dangling down in all the wrong places. Seemingly harmless. The next thing you know, they're trying to impregnate your sister.
Oh, what? Impregnate your sister?
You heard.